Welcome to your Northwest Arkansas market update. This market's going to be an interesting and surprising ride. February closings beat January, but that wasn't too difficult with the bar set so low. Prices are up year over year. 𝗪𝗿𝗻𝗄𝗃 here with RE/MAX Associates for 659 residential closings in Benton and Washington County for the month of February. This is a 20% drop compared to the same time the year before. Year-to-date numbers for sales are down just under 30%. We're going to have to watch the next couple of months as we enter our strongest selling season to see how this plays out. We did see a lot of buyers jump on board with the lower interest rates for January and early February and take advantage of them. I want to remind everybody that last week we saw rates hit above 7% again, but there was a ton of ways to get that rate down into the low 6% right now. So don't be sticker shocked by the number. The average home sold for $390,000, just over 2,000 square feet and $186 a foot. This is an 8% increase year over year. As prices flatten out, expect this year over year number to come down. You will still see a lot of doom and gloom news articles out there, but remember, real estate is local, and many places do not have the advantages that we have here in Northwest Arkansas. With that in mind, many experts are predicting appreciation in our area, somewhere in the 3 to 5% range. We're fortunate in Northwest Arkansas that we have great job opportunities and we're still affordable compared to the rest of the country. Right now, we have less than 3 months of inventory on the market and buyers are hungry for new listings. So if you have a home to sell, there is a buyer waiting for it. Now, the average days on market from listing to close has increased to 86 days. So make sure you plan accordingly with your agent. We always watch the new pending contracts to have a little glimpse into the future. February reported 912 new pending contracts. This has almost matched our 2022 pending numbers for the same month. March should be a good solid month for the number of closings. There's been a lot of pent-up demand from buyers holding out in the fourth quarter last year, and we're seeing that activity now. Let's talk for a second about what we do know and what we're seeing. The real estate market and how it affects price is all based on supply and demand. The number of total sales are down around 30%. We had 825 new listings come on the market in February. But as you remember, there were 912 new pending contracts. So what this is currently telling us is that although demand has dropped, we still have enough demand to keep up with the current supply that is coming on the market. This will keep prices stable until one of two things happen. Number one, a rush of new inventory, which we do not see this coming. Many sellers have rates in the 2 and 3% range that we may never see in our lifetime. So with the idea of trading for a normal rate near 6% can be tough. Or number two, if buyer demand drops further. This hopefully doesn't happen as Northwest Arkansas has an influx of people moving in on a daily basis. As mentioned before, this is going to be an interesting year for real estate, and interest rates are going to have a lot to do with it. Personally, I believe Northwest Arkansas is a great place to own and invest in. If you're leasing and can afford a purchase, talk to a trusted real estate agent, as we still see prices rising. If you're a seller and have a reason to move, let's get your home on the market, as there are some buyers waiting for it now. Hope you've enjoyed this. Feel free to reach out anytime to talk about real estate. Thanks for listening.